What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Barry Bites Cheezit Pepperoni Pizza! Alright, so I just pulled this out of the oven, so I'm probably going to burn my mouth. But look at this. My goodness. Oh, look at that crust. She delicious. What can I get for you today? Sorry. Yeah, this thing is. We're going to burn it up, baby. Burn it all cylinders. I'm going to do, we're just going to take it like this and do a berry bite, right? My goodness, that's hot. That's like an extra toasty cheese underneath on. Jesus. I'm going to peel some of that back. I want to get just the crust. Yowza. That's outstanding. Pizza, love it. Choking, even better. Cheez-it. Oh, God, I love Cheez-Its. Anyone who knows me knows I'm a big Cheez-It fan. Speaking of Cheez-Its, I've switched off of... Once they introduce the extra toasty, you can never go back. Let's do this one more time. I'm going to eat this whole slice. Fold it like a taco. Berry Bites! I'm going to try not to choke. Go out and get this. This is delicious. Fuck the Giorno. Ha!